Good afternoon, my name is Charlie M. Today I am here to show you how to use Storify as an interactive tool to use in your classrooms. Storify is an online collage creator that will allow users to pull information from other websites such as Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and Google, and more. If you are trying to use Storify as a tool, you'll need to be connected to the internet. You can use this program on different web browsers. Today, I'm going to use it on Google Chrome. And I'm currently using Screencast to show you how to use different functions of Storify. There are many ways you can use this program to meet different curriculum goals for various subjects and content areas. Storify is certainly a great way to introduce young students to learn how to research with online websites and use those tools that they are already familiar with. First, to get started, you need to open the browser, and in the web search, you'll type www.storify.com, and you'll get to this first page. In this first page, you'll see 3 steps to use how to use Storify. Along with that, you'll see search engine right here, and create story button, and your login button right here. And then there are featured users such as ABC News, NBC News, and CNBC, and more. And here underneath, you'll see feature stories. And you'll be able to click on the guided tour to receive some help, how to get started. And here you'll also see a help button if you have any questions, some of the questions that you can try to find within this website. Alright, to get started, I am going to click on log on. Here you'll see that you can click with login with Facebook or login with Twitter. If you do not want to do that, you can certainly click on join now and log in and create an account. There you go. Once you're logged in, you'll see similar features that you've seen earlier. However, now you'll see your ID and little arrow. If you click on that, you'll see profile, upgrade your account, find your friends, settings, and log out. If you're the first time user, I'll definitely go ahead and click on profile, and make sure if you wanted to change anything, you can go ahead and do that. And there's the settings. You can also use that as well. Let's go ahead and get to creating a story. So first thing you need to do is click on create story. Once you click on create story, you'll be taken to this page. To your left, you'll see a blank workspace that you can enter your headline, your description, and your body part of the work. Here you will see different search engines right here. This is for Storify, that's for Twitter, Facebook, Google+, YouTube, Flickr, Instagram, and Google. And you can also type embedded URL. So, because this is a trial thing, I'm just going to type what I really like. Disney music. That will be my first post. This is testing. For the description, I'll put testing post about Disney music. There you go. So, let's go ahead and see what other Storify users put on. I'll just go ahead and put Disney music, or I'll just go ahead and click Disney. See where that takes me. there were no results found, which is fine. Let's see if I can find it on the search part. There you go. There are some Disney stuffs that you can find, most certainly. Here's the easy way to use this. And one great thing about this program is that if you find any information that you want to use, you just click on it and simply drag it to your body part. And you can click to just type simply underneath the picture, Disney Castle. And you can annotate it, annotate the information, and add citation plus reference information. How simple, right? Now we'll go to the Twitter. To be able to use the Twitter information, you'll have to have a Twitter account that you can connect it with it. Since I have a Facebook account that's already connected to this program, I'm going to click on Facebook. And you can see different status that people put on related to Disney. Let's see if I can find something interesting. There you go. I'm just going to tag this person's quote right here and just add it in work. There you go. There's our post, and then I'll just click on and type, I am thinking about that as well. Should I or not? And once again, you can add anything you want underneath. And YouTube videos is no longer that hard. You just go click on one of the videos, and once again, just drag it to your work, and it will transfer the files over, and you have a video. Disney Music Collection. For our small. There you go. And you can obviously use Flickr to add another one. And once again, if you want to use any special one like Instagram that requires you to create an account, you can certainly do that. And you can find more information on Google. You have webs, news, and images. So you can just click on any of them. And once again, I'm just going to pull one of the Mickey Mouse picture with his buddies. And as you can see, this gives a little bit of description of where the file came from and who posted and then when they posted. Alright? Alrighty. After you're finished, you basically click on either Save Now or Publish. Let's go ahead and click on Publish. Alrighty. You can continue your editing, or you can click Publish the Story. It's working. There you go. And then it will ask you if you want to notify anybody or share. I'm not particularly into sharing, so I'm just going to click No. However, if you're interested in either Twitter or Facebook, you can certainly go ahead and click one of them or click both of them. And I'll go ahead and click Skip for now. Alright, there's your post related to Disney. And you can certainly comment here or share once again if you decide to change your mind. Okay? Alrighty, I hope you enjoyed this